if someone were to say to me that I could only have one product to use for the rest of my life, hands down, I'm going to keep this product. There's no doubt in my mind. Blessings and good day. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are an old friend, welcome back, friend. So today I'm going to be talking about my secret to growing thick, long hair. So if that is something that you're interested in learning more about, then please keep watching. So you may be thinking, sis, you don't even have long hair. Well, I will go ahead and insert some pictures of my hair in different states. I have 4C natural hair, okay? It's very coily, it's very kinky, and there is something called shrinkage, okay? I have a lot of shrinkage, and my hair is in locks right now because I'm on a lock journey. So of course it's not gonna appear as long as what it actually is. So just trust me when I say that I have been using these secrets to maintain thick, long, natural hair. You gotta trust me, sis, you gotta trust me. And so again, my hair, it's shrunken up. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit so you can see. I don't want to ruin my locks, but that's what shrinkage is. If you have kinky, coily hair, chances are you have a lot of shrinkage. So that's what's happening here, folks. Okay, just wanted to clear that up. Before I get into my secrets, I want to first say that you have to make sure that you're taking care of your body from within if you want to grow long, thick hair. That means you need to make sure you're drinking water on a consistent basis every day. It also means you need to monitor and just be mindful of the things that you're putting into your body, because if you're putting in a lot of junk food, a lot of unhealthy things, that could impact your hair. So you want to start with that, number one. And number two, you want to also monitor the products that you're using and the reaction that your hair has. Some products don't work the same for all types of hair, okay? All hair is different. Even though it may appear to look the same, we all have different heads of hair. So if you are reacting to products that have a lot of alcohol, petroleum, mineral oil, or even silicones, you may want to switch up your products and try more natural products. And that's what I strive for. I'm not saying that's what you have to do, but it is something that you do want to consider moving forward if you want to grow long, thick hair. So just make sure you're monitoring your hair and how it reacts to certain products. All right, so are you ready for my secret products? If you are, make sure that you have subscribed and make sure you like this video. Okay, so let's talk about my first little secret. I have been using this product for almost a decade. Ever since I went natural, I went to the store and grabbed this product. I have seen tremendous growth, and I will explain that. I have seen thicker roots. I have seen faster growth when I incorporate this product. I've also seen length retention because my hair is able to hold in moisture for a longer period of time. And if someone were to say to me that I could only have one product to use for the rest of my life, hands down, I'm going to keep this product. There's no doubt in my mind. So the product that I'm talking about is my Old Faithful, and that is Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil is a really great product to use if you're suffering from hair loss or hair thinning, or if you're someone that you're using moisturizers and creams and the moisture just does not stay in your hair. You may want to try using this. I have used this to do weekly scalp massages along with another secret that I will share soon. So I do weekly scalp massages before I go to bed. I get that blood flow and my scalp just soaks up all the nutrients in this oil. I've also used it for a hot oil treatment when I was a loose natural. And you can also add this to the products that you already have. So if you deep condition or you condition your hair after you shampoo, you may want to put a teaspoon or so of this into your product and just incorporate this into products that you already have just to enhance your products. So that's another way you can use this. I've also used this to seal my ends. So if I were to do twist outs or braid outs, when I got to the end of my hair, I would make sure that I would coat my ends in Jamaican black castor oil just to make sure that they stay moisturized for a long period of time and that they're coated and protected. Because if you're protecting your ends and they're not getting dry and breaking off, you're retaining length, and that's going to help you. You're going to start to see growth. So if you have not ever used Jamaican black castor oil, I suggest you go to the store now. After you watch this video, go to the store and make sure you get this product. It is wonderful. One thing that you want to keep in mind when you're searching for Jamaican black castor oil is the ingredients list. If there's an ingredients list with over 20 different things in it, you probably don't want that version of Jamaican black castor oil. I use the Sunny Isle version personally, and it just has the one ingredient, and that's the Jamaican black castor oil. So the purer the oil, the better it is, the more nutrients it has for your scalp. So that's something that you want to pay attention to and just be mindful of when you pick up your Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, let's get into secret number 2. This is not just one product in particular. It's just a group of different products. I have been incorporating these into my scalp massages along with my Jamaican black castor oil. I've also incorporated these things into my spray bottle. If you have not seen my video on the products that I use for my locks, make sure you check that video out. But I definitely use this product along with my spray that I use to refresh my locks. I am talking about essential oils. Yes, you can use essential oils on your hair and on your scalp. I have been using essential oils in my hair care regimen for about 5 years now, I would say. And ever since I've started using these on my scalp, I've noticed that my scalp isn't as dry. I don't get a lot of flakes or a lot of dead skin that you can see on your scalp. I don't get that anymore. And I will show you, or tell you rather, exactly how I incorporate these into my hair care regimen. So if you want to incorporate essential oils into your hair care regimen, you only need a little bit. So one way that I do this is, along with my Jamaican black castor oil, I'll take a couple drops of either peppermint oil or tea tree oil or even rosemary oil, which I actually use this the most. I've been gravitating towards this recently. I just take a couple drops of these oils and mix it into the Jamaican black castor oil and use that to help with my scalp massages. And I will go into detail about each of these different essential oils and their amazing benefits that they have on hair growth. I will be giving these oils their individual shine to tell you about the amazing benefits that they have on your hair. First up is rosemary essential oil. This oil is great at reducing thinning and shedding, and it's also great at circulating blood flow in your scalp. Next is peppermint oil. This is an anti-inflammatory oil. It helps improve blood flow to your scalp, which also improves hair growth. Tea tree oil is an antifungal and antibacterial. It helps prevent buildup from chemicals and dead skin on your scalp. One thing that you do want to keep in mind with essential oils is that you do not want to put these on your scalp or on your skin by themselves. They need a carrier oil because they are so potent. And when I mean carrier oil, I'm thinking of Jamaican black castor oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil. That's another one of my favorites. Just have one of those carrier oils and just put a couple drops of the essential oils in there. You do not need a lot because, again, it's very potent. And if you use this by itself on your scalp, it can cause irritation. So you don't want that. So make sure that you're using this with a carrier oil. That is it, you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and do that so you can follow me on my lock journey and learn more secrets that I've used for hair growth over the years. Make sure you comment. Let me know if you use Jamaican black castor oil or essential oils, or you have your own secret or ways that you've been using to take care of your hair and help it grow nice and thick. So make sure you do that, and also make sure you like this video. It will really help me out and help spread the word about my channel and get other people on board along with my journey as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.